Hey everyone, it's Aaron with ScratchesHappen. Today we're going to be spraying a test card with our aerosol spray trigger. We're going to be spraying base coat and clear coat today. First of all, when you spray an aerosol can, make sure you press the nozzle straight down and you don't tip it forward like this. The fan of your spray will actually catch on this ridge here and create a little puddle, and then you'll get spots on your panel eventually. But with the aerosol trigger, it has a downward motion that actually fixes that problem. And when you install your trigger, make sure you don't put it at an angle, put it straight to the top of it like this, and make sure your nozzle is straight. So here's our first coat. Make sure we're doing medium wet coats about 8 inches away, and we're parallel to the panel. And you want a 50% overlap. And if you noticed, I pulled the trigger off in between each row, and then it helps with when you're spraying your actual body panel, you won't get a heavy buildup of paint on every edge of your surface that you're spraying. Our instructions say to allow up to 20 minutes between coats, but depending on temperature and humidity, it could flash off in less time. For us, it's been about 5 to 10 minutes. And keep in mind how slow I'm moving, and that'll give you your medium coat. So as you can see, after our second coat, it's not fully covered. We're gonna need a third one for sure, and we might even need a fourth. Another thing to keep in mind when spraying your coverage coats is that certain colors have better coverage than others. Here's a comparison of pigmentation on a white card and a red test card. And these both have 3 layers on them. And when it's transparent like this, you want to stay consistent and keep on adding medium wet coats rather than one heavy coat. For your top coats, you're going to want to focus on keeping the can about 12 inches away from the panel. Make sure it's still parallel, and since you're so far away, you're going to want to move slower so you don't create any texture on the panel and paint is drying midair. This is going to be our second and last top coat. We just want to make sure all of our metallic is evenly distributed and focus on your distance still. Make sure you're not moving too fast. Now that our base coat's dry, we're ready to spray our clear. We're going to be using our same aerosol trigger since it is universal to all your cans in your garage. Just slip it on and make sure your nozzle is straight. When you're spraying clear coat, you're going to want to be about 8 to 10 inches away, parallel to the panel, and you're going to move a little bit slower than when you're spraying base coat. For a first coat of clear, just make sure to stay slow and consistent. So our first coat of clear has flashed off. It's been about 5 minutes. A good way to tell is go to any surrounding area that's masked off on your car. Right here we just have the stick. Just touch it, see if it's tacky, and you're ready for your second coat. Our second layer of clear has been flashing for about 5 minutes. If there were any dry spots on here, we could add a third layer of clear. And depending on the temperature and humidity, your flash times could also vary. Thanks for tuning in to another video. Make sure you watch the rest of them on YouTube, TikTok at ScratchesHappen, and check out the link below at ScratchesHappen.com. And we'll see you on the next one.